Grandma was right. There's nothing better than a homemade syrup to do away with that annoying cough that does not let you go to sleep. The recipe is very simple. You have to put in the blender the juice of 20 lemons, 10 small radishes, a clove of peeled garlic, and a spoonful of honey. Grind everything well and take 1 tablespoon in the morning, a couple of hours after breakfast, and another tablespoon in the afternoon, also a couple of hours after eating. The taste is not too bad and the relief comes about almost immediately. Good night.